In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks in ClickUp. If you want faster access to important items in your workspace, bookmarks are a simple way to keep tasks, docs, or views within easy reach. This is especially helpful if there are items you open often and don't want to search for every time. To get started, go to your home workspace and find the task doc or view that you want to bookmark. The idea here is to first locate the exact item you want quick access to later. Once you found it, open that item so you can adjust its bookmark settings. For this example, select the task you want to bookmark. After opening the task, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a star icon there. Click that star icon to begin adding the bookmark. This is the control ClickUp uses to mark an item as a favorite and decide where that shortcut will appear in your workspace. After clicking the star icon, you'll be given placement options for the bookmark. You may choose sidebar, top, or bottom. One important thing to know is that you're not limited to picking just one location. You can choose only one of these options, any two of them, or all three, depending on how visible and accessible you want that bookmark to be. If you choose sidebar, ClickUp will add the item as a favorites link in the sidebar. This is useful if you like navigating from the left side of your workspace and want a consistent place to find your saved items. If you choose top, ClickUp will place the favorites link along the top area. This can be a great option if you prefer keeping frequently used items in a more prominent position where they're easy to spot right away. If you choose bottom, the favorites link will appear in the bottom section. This can be helpful if that part of your layout fits your workflow better, or if you want to organize bookmarks in a different area from your main navigation. So really, the best choice depends on how you use ClickUp day to day. If something is extremely important, selecting multiple locations can make it even easier to access. If you prefer a cleaner interface, choosing just one placement may be the better option. And that's it. That's how to add bookmarks in ClickUp. Once you star an item and choose where it should appear, you'll have a faster way to get back to the things you use most often. Thanks for watching.